think your dream is very meaningful, and inshallah you will see the realization gradually dawning into a day. Because my presence there indicates that with the grace of Allah, the first place where Ahmadiyya was first established will have a new beginning with my appearance there. And the same is the question which has been discussed now about Laylatul Qadr. For every Laylatul Qadr you have to do very hard work. To convert night into day is not easy. Once you have experience of passing through a difficult night, a torturous night, people look at the sky repeatedly when the dawn will come. So that gives them impetus for prayers. So to turn a Laylatul Qadr into a day is not an easy job. But I'm sure, inshallah, the realization of where you stand and what you need to do for the spread of light will be born gradually, inshallah, and you'll see the fulfillment of your dream of night. I hope you will see it.